Chapter 3: Eid al-Fitr, a celebration of togetherness. Kemi and her friends gathered once again, filled with anticipation for the next adventure on their Nigerian journey. Today, they were going to explore the beautiful festival of Eid al-Fitr, a special holiday celebrated by Muslims around the world. Kemi began by sharing the significance of Eid al-Fitr, explaining, Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting and spiritual reflection for Muslims. It's a time of joy, gratitude, and coming together with loved ones. To give her friends a deeper understanding of the holiday, Kemi introduced Aisha, her best friend and a Muslim. Aisha smiled warmly as she joined the group, eager to share her traditions and experiences. Aisha's family celebrates Eid al-Fitr, and she has graciously invited us to join them, Kemi announced, sparking excitement among her friends. Aisha explained the essence of Ramadan, the month of fasting, where Muslims abstain from food and drink from sunrise to sunset. She spoke about the importance of self-discipline, empathy, and generosity during this holy month. As the sun began to set, Kemi and her friends gathered at Aisha's house, welcomed by the aromatic scents of spices and delicious food. Aisha's family greeted them with open arms, embracing the spirit of hospitality that defined the festival. Inside the house, Kemi's eyes widened at the sight of vibrant decorations and beautiful Islamic art adorning the walls. Aisha's mother wore a stunning traditional outfit, and her father looked dapper in his attire as they prepared for the evening prayers. Kemi and her friends observed as Aisha's family performed their evening prayers, a solemn and sacred moment. They learned about the rituals, the prayers, and the expressions of gratitude that were offered during this time. Following the prayers, the atmosphere filled with joy and excitement. Aisha's family exchanged warm embraces and heartfelt greetings of Eid Mubarak. They expressed gratitude for the blessings received and celebrated the completion of Ramadan. Aisha's mother invited everyone to the dining table, adorned with a feast of delicious delicacies. Plates were filled with mouth-watering dishes like biryani, samosas, and delectable sweets such as baklava and dates. Kemi's friends eagerly tasted the flavorful dishes, savoring the unique blend of spices and textures. Aisha's family shared stories about the traditional foods enjoyed during Eid al-Fitr and the significance of sharing meals with loved ones. Aisha and her siblings then led their friends in a joyful dance, their laughter echoing through the house. They moved with grace and happiness, celebrating the spirit of togetherness and unity that Eid al-Fitr embodied. As the evening came to a close, Kemi and her friends thanked Aisha's family for the heartfelt experience they had shared. They felt a sense of warmth and belonging, realizing the power of celebrating different cultures and traditions. Walking back home, Kemi and her friends reflected on the beauty of Eid al-Fitr. They understood the importance of empathy, gratitude, and the bonds of friendship that transcended cultural differences. With hearts filled with joy and appreciation, they looked forward to their next adventure, eager to uncover the enchanting customs and celebrations that awaited them on their Nigerian journey. And so, Kemi and her friends eagerly awaited the next chapter, where they would immerse themselves in the enchanting world of the Igbo wedding celebration. Discovering the richness of Nigerian weddings and the unifying power of love and family.